Alphabet Song IPA. Hi, how are you? Have you listened to the song about animals and objects in the letter E song yet? You can listen to this song again to warm up before starting this IPA pronunciation lesson. Please drink some warm water and relax while practicing with Woala English. Practice together right now. E, E, E. Elephant, elephant. E's for elephant, big and strong. Elephants are the largest land mammals alive today, characterized by long trunks, large tusks, big ears, and high intelligence, living mainly in Africa and Asia. Famous for his long memory, complex emotions, and memory of water locations. Eagle, eagle. E's for eagle, flying all day long. Eagle is a large bird of prey belonging to the order falcon. This is a symbol of strength, freedom, and the national bird of America. Egg, egg. E's for egg, cracking with a cheer. Eggs are oval-shaped objects with hard shells, laid by female birds, especially chickens, that are sometimes used as food. Earth, earth. E's for earth, the place we all hold dear. Earth is the planet third in order of distance from the Sun, between Venus and Mars, the world on which we live. Engine, engine. E's for engine, rolling down the track. Engine is a machine that uses the energy from liquid fuel or steam to produce movement. Applications in industry and technology fields. Ear, ear. E's for ear, on the side of your back. Ear in English mainly means a part of the body used for hearing and balance. Evening, evening. E's for evening, skies turning blue. Evening is the part of the day between the end of the afternoon and night. Emu, emu. E's for emu, saying how are you? Emu is a large Australian bird with a long neck and gray or brown feathers. Emus cannot fly but have long legs and can run quickly. Congratulations! You've just completed the pronunciation practice for animal and object names that begin with the letter E. Now, take a deep breath and drink some warm water. Please rewatch this video daily to practice. We believe you can improve your English quickly by practicing with Woala English. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to watch the latest English songs and short stories and practice English every day. Thank you.